Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create this faux fishtail ponytail. Now the things I love about this look is one, there's no braiding. Yes, you heard that right. You get the same bohemian fishtail braid look without any braiding. The second thing I love is it's super quick and easy, and my favorite, it makes your hair look super long. Now let's get into it. To start off this look, you're going to take a 3 to 4 inch section on either side of your head and join it in the back using a small elastic. Now you want to leave some separation between the two pieces of hair because after you've secured it, you're going to flip it into itself, kind of like a topsy ponytail. Sorry you can't see really good right here, but you're going to flip it into itself and then loosen up those twists a little bit to give that messy bohemian style. Now you're going to continue that same thing down your head, starting with the next section below that piece of hair you just finished. Do the same thing, secure it with a ponytail or a small elastic. And now you're going to flip it in through that hole. That's what's going to create that twist and that fishtail look. So tighten your ponytails a little bit so that the next one hides your first ponytail, and then continue doing that down your head until you get to the nape of your neck. Now once you get to your last section, I flip up my previous ponytail so I don't grab any of those hairs, and then I grab the rest of my remaining hair and then continue the same way with a ponytail, flipping it in on itself and then pulling it out a little bit. Once you've finished your last ponytail, you can pull out any hairs around your face or anything on your head that looks a little too tight to finish off your look. And that's it. That's the look.